Tuesday, October 3rd. Focus. Lord, do you want us to tell fire to come down from heaven and consume them? As Jesus heads for Jerusalem, he decides to visit Samaria. There is age-old enmity between the Jews and the Samaritans. The Samaritans are unwelcoming. Furious, the disciples want to call down God's punishment. But Jesus rebukes them for their violent thoughts. They proceed peacefully to another village. Violence rages in us. Let them go to hell. We often have reasons that seem to justify our anger. Neighbors who are prickly, colleagues who create tension, family members who are difficult, people from another class or region, all test our patience. If we are not careful, the violent thought translates into violent action. Mahatma Gandhi's greatness is that he both practiced and preached non-violent resistance. E.M. Forster wrote that there are only two approaches in life. One is the Nazi solution, destroy people. The other is tolerance, based on which a civilized society can be built. What Jesus wants in the recognition that we are all children of the same Father. Our call is to love, even as He loved. In a video episode from The Chosen, the Master scolds his disciples for being so harsh. So, would you like to call upon God's fire to burn them down? And John, ashamed, mutters, "It does sound very bad when you put it like that." Fruit. When I respond to someone annoying, let me never forget that Jesus came to save with love.